Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to fix your CapCut PC when it's lagging. So to do so, you are going to select the modify button here first, go to performance, and you're going to enable proxy. You're going to then select the lowest resolution, and it's going to convert the material to the resolution. But don't worry, it's only going to do that for like the editing, so it's less laggy, but when you export it, it's going to change it to its original resolution, I think. Menu, go to settings, go to performance, and you are going to turn off everything from speed up hardware encoding, decoding, and render interface with GPU. It says unselected to avoid exporting issues. This one is to avoid black screen and blurry screen. And this one is to avoid black screen problems. So you're just going to uncheck everything here. Then you are going to hit the save button, and that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!